So hello guys, welcome to the channel Code Secret. So what we are going to do in the next few days, let's discuss about that thing. So we are going to start with the new playlist for JavaScript. So these are some topics which we are going to discuss in the next few days. So first of all, we will discuss about what is JavaScript, and then we will discuss about the how JavaScript gets executed, and then we will talk about some what is that ECMAScript. People keep on saying like ECMAScript is doing this thing, that thing. ECMAScript is changing the things in the JavaScript, giving updates like this. So we will discuss about them, and after that we will discuss about like how can we add the JavaScript in the website. So what actually JavaScript is. So if you want to get know the answer of this question, so you will get it in this answer as well. Okay, so keep watching these, and then we will discuss about what are the variables, what are the data types, so operators, functions. So these are the things that we are going to discuss, and after that we will talk about the scopes. We have a global scope and local scope, and we have control structure. Control structure means if else conditions, conditional statements, switch case. Okay, and then we will talk about loops and all. Loops means like while loop, do while loop, for loop, these kind of loops. We will talk about for in loop and for of loop after this completion. Okay, which will be the second phase actually, because that comes under uh, new JavaScript. Okay, ECMA script, we say ES6 features. So we will talk about them separately. So, and we will talk about the events. What are the event listeners we have, like click events we have, uh, like, and this thing also, like how can we add a event in a button, so that button will do some work for us. If we click on it, if we put a change method on it, uh, in the input button, in the input field, so how it will work like this. And after that we will discuss about how the web works, and error handling as well. Error handling is so much important, because it will not stop your website. Okay, but it will just stop the execution of the code. Okay, and we will be talking about the how can we deal with the files. Dealing with the files means how can we create a folder structure here. So we will talk about that as well, and we will discuss about some basics of JavaScript, CSS and HTML, and these are some special attributes. These are not, don't think that async is a method. Oh, method I'm saying. Async is a keyword in a JavaScript. No, it is not. It is actually there in the HTML. These are the attributes, different keywords, different async. So we will discuss about them. ID is just a simple ID. This is the IDE. Okay, Visual Studio Code, and then we will discuss about how can we debug the JavaScript. So after this, we will talk about asynchronous JavaScript. So this is common for every language. So we have to learn about this first, and then we will talk about core JavaScript. Okay, that is asynchronous JavaScript, and what are the other things in the JavaScript, like objects, arrays, strings. We will talk about them in the second phase. So this is the video. So please do like and subscribe, and